Now we are going to start with les articles contractés. Contracted articles. They are called contracted articles because they are the contracted form of one preposition and one definite article. When we join one preposition and one definite article, the result that we get by joining them is contracted article. Okay? So in contracted articles, we use two prepositions. One is preposition a and another is preposition the. A means to, at, in. It has three meanings, can be used for either of the purposes. To, at, in. The means of or from. Okay, so in this, basically, we use contracted articles when we want to use of the, from the, in the, or at, of the, from the, about the, or to the, at the, in the. And these are like normally used before places. Generally.
Before?
Places like restaurant or any country. Okay. So we use contracted article for of the, from the, about the, or to the, at the, in the. Now let's understand how do we use of the or from the or about the form of contracted article. So whenever we have to use either of these prepositions like of the, from the, we are going to use either of these contracted articles. So of the or from the, for this purpose, we have four types of contracted articles. One is due, the, L apostrophe, they. Four of them mean same, of the, from the. They are different because the usage is different. Like due is used before masculine noun. The is used before feminine noun. The L apostrophe before vowels. They before plural noun. This addition is here to make you understand that where does you come from. So like I told you that we use one preposition or we combine one preposition with one definite article and the result that we get is contracted article, contracted form. So actually this due came from the preposition the plus one type of definite article. So the plus le becomes due.
Okay.
Okay. But yes, we will not use this thing. This is just for the sake of making you understand the formation of due. So this is the contracted form. This is the expanded form. This is the contracted form. That's why we call them contracted articles. Like if I want to say of the restaurant, from the restaurant, it's going to be du restaurant. Like I'm going to restaurant. Or not to. I'm coming from restaurant. Right?
Okay.
So when you're using that from, you will use du.
But in case if we have to, speak a normal like a restaurant, so it will be late restaurant. Le restaurant, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we always use them according to the need of our. If we have to use of the, from the, then we will use contracted article. If we have to use a restaurant, we will use indefinite article. And if we just have to use the restaurant or just restaurant, then definite article. Okay? So always depends upon the requirement and circumstances.
Okay.
Next is the la, like of the house, from the house, de la maison. The L apostrophe, like from India, of India, the land. Okay. They is before plural one. So they is Ontier. Ontier is plural country, West Indies. Like I'm coming from West Indies, I'm returning from West Indies. This person is from West Indies. Like when you have to use from or of. So they is Ontier. So there's one more plural country. In fact, we have one more after this. Beba. It's Zeta Uni. Zeta Uni is United States of America.
I was not able to speak this particular country name.
Okay. So these are like plural countries and we use they before them. Okay. Now, if you like just noticed that in the previous class, we learned indefinite article in which they was also one of the kind. Even they. Here also we have they. So, like, how can we figure out, okay, if it is indefinite article or if it is contracted article? Very simple. As indefinite article, they means some, right? And as a contracted article, it means of or from, of or from the. So it always depends upon the sense of the sentence. Like, if the sentence is, je viens des Antilles. Je viens is I come or I'm coming from. Okay, je viens, I come, I'm coming. If the sentence is, je viens des Antilles, that is quite obvious that here they means of or from. It cannot mean some here. If I say, je mange des fraises, je mange des fraises. So, je mange is like I eat or I am eating. Okay. So, des fraises, of course, I cannot say I'm eating from strawberry. I'm eating some strawberry, right? So here, they is indefinite form, and here, they is contracted form. About? Okay. Next is to the, at the, in the. If you want to use to the, at the, in the, so in that case also we will use contracted articles. So this is like here we will use our preposition. We have taken our preposition because a means to add in, right? So a plus l becomes o. Oh. Which means either to the, at the, in the, or in the. So like if you want to say I'm going to cinema, or I'm going like let's say I'm going to theater. You can use that AUO for masculine noun. Okay. Then ala for feminine, like à la plage, to the beach, at the beach. An apostrophe is like an apostrophe à l'école. It is always used before vowels. Okay. To the school, in the school. And AUX before plural. I'm going to America. Okay, I'm going to Netherlands or Peba. Peba is Netherlands. Peba. So this is how we use contracted articles.
Okay, can you help me to pronounce United States of America?
Oui, bien sûr. One second, I think it's not bad. I wrote somewhere United States of America.
It was down.
And where it's lost?
It was after West Netherlands only, no?
Yeah, exactly. Something maybe I have seen it somewhere.
Yeah. Data.
De, zeta, okay, not de. Eta uni. De to we will use now when we have to say of or from. Eta uni.
Eta uni.
Wait. Eta uni.
Eta uni. Okay.
Okay.
So it could be if we have to put de, then data or data.
De, zeta. Z. Zeta, because we will link with S as eta is starting with the vowel.
Yeah, exactly. Data uni.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like if we are just saying America, le zeta uni.
Okay.
So contracted articles are clear?
Yes.
Now, Sanchit, do this exercise. And it's a mixed exercise.
Okay. So mixed means definite, indefinite, everything.
Mixed as in either it can be O, it can be ala, it can be due. These are just contracted articles, but it can be ala, O, due, like any kind. So according to the sentence, you are going to fill in.
Okay.
Okay. There are total 6 sentences. Complete your 4 first, then ask me to scroll down.
Okay. 1 2. Okay, can you scroll down?
Wait.
Okay, can you just scroll up on my sorry, sir. The 4 questions.
Okay.
I'm done except first one, because first one is I'm not able to make a proper sentence. Do you speak to the children? You speak to the children? You speak to the children?
Yeah.
You speak to the children. Okay, now I get it. Okay, done.
All right. Alors, donne-moi la réponse pour la première question.
You.
AU. Okay. Second one.
Like to go to cinema. So, this is again EU. Third is la or la.